Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the power of perception, unlocking the human brain's infinite potential. Ladies and gentlemen, the human brain with its 86 billion neurons and over 100 trillion synaptic connections is a frontier of timeless potential. At the core of this vast network lies a profound yet often underestimated capability, that of perception. Unlike imagination, which conjures possibilities untethered from reality, perception deciphers the patterns of the known world, constructs meaning, and projects foresight. It is this singular ability that allows humans to transcend immediate experience and explore the complexities of the unknown. Let us look at perception a little deeper. It is the brain's strategic intelligence. Perception is not merely the intake of sensory data. It is a cognitive symphony orchestrated across multiple brain regions. While the occipital lobe processes visual inputs, the prefrontal cortex transforms these into actionable insights, a phenomena captured vividly through functional MRI studies. What sets perception apart from imagination is its reliance on real-world stimuli enriched by experience and critical thinking to create mental simulations of possible outcomes. Consider the groundbreaking work of blind echolocators, individuals who, through the power of perception, see their environment by interpreting sound waves. This remarkable feat underscores how perception taps into hidden neural reserves, offering humans an unparalleled capacity to reimagine their relationship with the world. Cultivating perception is a scientific possibility. Neuroscience confirms that perception is not static, but evolves with learning and deliberate practice. Studies on neuroplasticity reveal that structured effort reshapes the brain's architecture, enhancing perceptual acuity. London taxi drivers, for instance, develop denser hippocampal regions after memorizing thousands of streets, a phenomena scientifically termed the knowledge. Similarly, expert radiologists can detect anomalies in medical imaging within seconds, thanks to years of refining perceptual skills through exposure and critical analysis. This cultivation is not confined to specialists. Research from Stanford University demonstrates that engaging in activities like chess, art, or strategic games strengthens pattern recognition and decision-making abilities, laying the foundation for perceptive thought. Let us also look at foresight, which is perception's vanguard. Perception enables humans to construct mental blueprints of future scenarios, allowing for strategic planning and innovation. It was foresight that enabled early civilizations to conceptualize agricultural systems, transforming survival into societal growth. In modern times, Albert Einstein's groundbreaking theory of relativity emerged from a singular act of perceptive foresight, imagining himself riding alongside a beam of light. This thought experiment, rooted in perception rather than physical experimentation, reshaped our understanding of time, space, and gravity, proving that perception can lead to discoveries far beyond current knowledge. Similarly, today's technological advancements owe much to this perceptual ability. Elon Musk's conceptualization of reusable rockets stemmed from perceiving inefficiencies in traditional aerospace technologies, showcasing how mental simulations can revolutionize industry. Let us also explore the move from perception to innovation. Innovation thrives at the intersection of perception and creativity. Historical records show that Nikola Tesla could visualize entire mechanical designs in his mind with precision, eliminating the need for prototypes. Similarly, Leonardo da Vinci anatomical sketches predated modern medical imaging technologies, a testament to how perception allows individuals to synthesize known elements into groundbreaking ideas. Even in today's data-driven world, perception remains critical. Artificial intelligence, while powerful, lacks the human brain's nuanced ability to perceive abstract connections, underscoring why perception will continue to lead in creativity and problem solving. Defining perception is a call to action. The development of perception demands active engagement. Cognitive practices like mindfulness, meditation have been shown to enhance attention and sensory awareness, while exposure to diverse disciplines broadens neural pathways, enriching the perceptual toolkit. Empathy, too, plays a pivotal role. Studies by the Max Planck Institute reveal that individuals with higher emotional intelligence demonstrate superior anticipatory skills, a core facet of perception. These practices not only enhance individual capability but also prepare humanity to confront global challenges. From climate adaptation to ethical AI governance, the power of perception equips the mind to navigate uncertainty with insight and ingenuity. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, perception is a frontier worth unlocking. Perception is not merely a skill but a transformative force. It is the cornerstone of innovation, a bridge to empathy, and a tool for navigating uncharted terrain. While the brain's capacity for perception is vast, it remains underutilized in most individuals. Unlocking this hidden potential is not a luxury but an imperative, enabling humanity to shape a future defined by possibility rather than limitation. This journey into perception is a call to elevate the human experience. By honing this capability, individuals can transcend the constraints of time and space, transforming ideas into realities and challenges into opportunities. The power of perception lies not in observing what is, but in envisioning what could be. It is humanity's most profound tool, a key to unlocking the infinite potential of the mind. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.